Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your VSB account and that you have admin API access. Once done, retrieve the access token. Next, prepare the destination URL and shortcode for tracking, and decide on QR parameters like size and error correction. Make sure to store campaign metadata, name, start date, and UTM tags, so scans map to metrics. Finally, open the VSB QR generator module and select API or UI mode. This is where you'll create the first QR entry. You now create the QR record in VSB, filling name, URL, UTM parameters, tags, and active dates. Once done, configure scan limits and redirect rules so users land in the right place. If you want branding, upload a logo or SVG mask and pick colors. Make sure to test with high error correction for print. Use the API post/QR to automate multiple codes or the UI create flow for single items, and then generate PNG or SVG outputs at desired DPI. You're ready to deploy. Download the QR at several sizes and embed it in print or digital assets with a clear call to action. Once placed, test on 3 devices and verify scan counts, redirects, and analytics arrive in VSB. Make sure to validate both online and offline behavior. If something goes wrong, check URL encoding, confirm the API token hasn't expired, and increase error correction or size for print. This single troubleshooting tip fixes most failures quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.